Well, take a look at this right here behind us. Usually I'm thinking about those tall pine trees. We see those always start to fall down, but this is a beautiful spruce tree that has just been completely uprooted right here. We just spoke with the owners of this home. She says this house has been in their family for more than 100 years. She's got pictures of when her grandfather planted this spruce tree, just like that, down. Now she's trying to figure out what are the next steps. How are they going to be able to get rid of this? Because you can just look at the massive size of this tree. It just goes on and on and on. But again, good news is that at least a majority of it was able to miss the home, but nonetheless still kind of figure out what the cleanup steps are going to be like this in the next few days.